So I've just unboxed the Hyundai DHY6000SE, and it's just a quick video to tell you what comes in the box. So at the top you've got a quick start guide, so this tells you what to check before you get the generator running, the sort of start procedure, stopping procedure, etc, etc. Then you've also got some warning labels, obviously make sure you read the manual before you use the generator. And then down on this side we've got a pouch, so this has sort of got your battery start. You've also got some socket outlets there if you've got a cable, and then also a 12 volt socket and a fuel filler there. So a few more key features on the DHY6000SE. You might be able to see underneath these plates here there is wheels, so you've got one on each corner. Then you've got handles for lifting on either side. This side you can use for pushing. And then you've also got a central lifting eye as well if you needed a crane or something like that to offload. So overall very low. So on the DHY6000SE you've also got this door here. So opening that up, you've got your 12 volt battery, you get a complimentary engine service kit, so that comes with your oil filter, air filter, and then also the diesel filter. You've got fuses there just in case any trips, it's easy to replace, and then you've got your Hyundai engine here. Now obviously you've got a toggle there for stop and start and run. So make sure that's in the right area for starting and stopping. But overall very compact diesel portable generator.